Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access the Linux file system. This lab is designed to help you understand how to navigate, manage, and explore file systems effectively. So, let's get started by clicking on Launch Exercise to begin the lab. Now, in the first step, we will open the new terminal. Now, to see our current location in the file system, use the pwd command. It shows the full path of the working directory. Next, use the ls command to list all the files and directories in the current directory. In Linux, you can use man for manuals, help for quick tips, and whatis for brief descriptions of any command. The first method is man pages. Use the man command followed by the command name to see detailed documentation for any Linux command. Press Enter to scroll through the manual and Q to exit. The second method is using the help option. For example, type ls. Help to get detailed information about the ls command, including its usage and available options. The third method is the whatis command, which provides a brief description of a command. For example, type whatis ls to quickly learn what the ls command does. Now use the l/ command to view a detailed list of files and directories located in the root directory, which is the starting point of the Linux file system. The mkdir command is used to create new directories. Let's create a directory named test in the current working directory using mkdir command. Now use the ls command to confirm the creation of the new directory. Since we only specified the directory name without a path, it was created in the current working directory by default. An absolute path specifies the complete path starting from the root directory. Let's create a new directory named test2 in the /home/coder/workspace directory using its absolute path. And then verify by clicking on Check button. To change the current working directory, use the cd command. For example, type cd test to navigate to the test directory using its relative path. Use the pwd command to verify your current directory. The cd ... command is used to navigate to the parent directory. After running it, use the pwd command to confirm that you've successfully moved one level up in the directory structure. To quickly navigate to the user's home directory, use the cd command. Use the cd- command to return to the previous working directory. This is helpful for quickly switching back to where you were. To change directories using an absolute path, use the cd command followed by the full path. For example, type cd/home/coder/workspace/test to navigate directly to that directory. Use the touch command to create a new empty file or update an existing file's timestamps. Type touch file1 to create a file named file1. Use the cat command to view the contents of the /var/log/messages file, which contains general system information and messages. Now use the ls command to view large files one page at a time. Navigate through the content using the arrow or enter keys, and press Q to exit when finished. The More command allows you to view a file's content one screen at a time, similar to less, but simpler. You can press the space key to move forward through the file. The head command displays the first few lines of a file. By default, it shows the first 10 lines, but you can customize this using the -n option. Now the tail command displays the last few lines of a file. By default, it shows the last 10 lines, but you can also customize this with the "n" option. Now here, the tail F command continuously displays newly added lines to a file, making it useful for monitoring live logs. Use Ctrl+C to stop the command when done. Now use the Stat command to view detailed information about a file, such as its size, permissions, and timestamps. Run stat/etc/hostname to check these details for the file. The /etc/profile file sets system-wide environment variables and startup programs for login shells. Use the cat command to view its contents, for example, cat/etc/profile. The /bash_profile file is user-specific and sets environment variables and startup programs for login shells. It runs at login and often references /bashirk for consistent shell settings. The /etc/bashirk file contains system-wide settings for interactive non-login bash shells, applied whenever a new shell session begins. The /bashirk file serves as the user-specific counterpart for personal shell customization. You've successfully completed the exercise. Don't forget to mark the lab as complete to finalize your progress.